Hi, Algebra 1. I'm happy to be back. Missed you all. I'm going to be checking off a few pages, which we had done this past week. So I'm going to be looking for page 85, 1 through 15, page 77, 1 through 21, page 89, 1 through 18, and page 93, in which I'm going to go over today, 1 through 18 as well. Please have those out so when I come by, I can put them in the grade book. But I'm going to be focusing on page 93 right now, run through those. I hope you're all doing well. And we're going to go through 1 through 18. So problem number 1, we talked about we can't have a radical in the denominator. So usually you can just multiply the top and bottom by the same radical, and that gives you 1 root 2 on top and over root 4. Root 4 is 2, so you wind up with an answer of root 2 over 2. Problem number 2, I have 2 over square root 3, multiply top and bottom by root 3 and root 3, 2 root 3 over root 9. Square root of 9 is 3. You can't, if outside's reduced, then reduce. You can't reduce outside and inside. It could either be outside, outside, or inside, inside. Number 3, I get 1 over root 7. Multiply top and bottom by root 7. So that gives me 1 root 7 over root 49. The square root of 49 is 7. And then number 4, you have 6 over root 2. Multiply top and bottom by root 2 and root 2. So this gives me 6 root 2 over, that gives me root 4, which is 2. Now I can reduce outside. So this 2 goes into this 6, the outsides. So I wind up with 3 root 2 for an answer. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to come over to you, even if I'm teaching, okay? Number 5, I have 5 over root 15, or excuse me, 5 over root 5. Multiply top and bottom by root 5. That gives me 15 root 5. That would have given me root 25, which is going to be 5. We can reduce outside. That's going to give me 3 root 5. Number 6, I get 42 over root 7. Multiply top and bottom by root 7. So 42 root 7. That gives me root 49, which is 7. Then we can reduce outside. 7 goes into 42 6 times, so I get 6 root 7 for an answer. Number 7, 1 over root 81. There's nothing to do with this right now other than take square root of 81. What's the square root of 81? Yeah, it's just 9, so didn't have to do anything fancy to that one. Number 8, we have 2 over root 11. Multiply top and bottom by root 11. So that's going to give me 2 root 11. That root 11 times root 11 is root 121. Square root of 121 is 11. This won't reduce. That's already done. Number 9, square root 4. Oh, that just comes out to 2. Number 10, root 125. We want to break 125 down to 25 times 5. 25 is the largest perfect square. Square root of 25 is 5, so I wind up with 5 root 5. Number 11, negative square root 100. Well, the negative comes down. What's the square root of 100? It's 10. Oh, I get negative 10 for an answer. Number 12, square root of that, I just have to take half of the exponent, so a to the 4th is the perfect square. Number 13, I have root 72. That's going to break down to 36 times 2. Square root of 36 is 6, so I get 6 root 2 for an answer. Number 14. Okay, so square root of a to the 6th is going to be a to the 3rd. Square root of b to the 10th is just b to the 5th. That just worked out to be a perfect square, no longer a radical sign. Number 15, I want to break a to the 3rd down. I'm going to break that down to a squared times a, because that's now a perfect square. Square root of a squared is a, and then I have left behind root a. Number 16, negative root 81 m to the 64th power. Okay, so the negative comes down because that's outside. Square root of 81 is 9. Square root of m to the 64, well, half of 64 is 32, so that's the answer. We don't have the square root anymore. Number 17, I get square root 49, a to the 4th, b to the 12th. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of a to the 4th is a to the 2nd. Just take half of it. Square root of b to the 12th is just b to the 6th because we just take half the exponent. And then number 18, square root 121, x to the 14th, y to the 6th. Square root of 121 is 11. Square root of x to the 14th is x to the 7th. Square root of y to the 6th is just y to the 3rd. Okay, so again, I'm going over, I'm checking off the page 85, 1 through 15, page 77, 1 through 21, page 89, 1 through 18, page 93, 1 through 18, which we just went over. This week, we are going to be doing a little bit more of solving quadratic equations, SQE. So today and tomorrow are just some reviews. We will have a quiz on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday we will do 8 and 9. But I hope everything's going well. If you had any questions over any of the ones that while I was gone, please let me know, and I'm happy to help you with those individually. Just come see me. Have a nice day, my friends. Oh, wait, I forgot. I have to give you your assignment. Page 95 and 96. I'd like you to do 1 through 15 all. Okay, now have a nice day.